Hello and welcome back to How To's with Kelsey.
In this video, we'll cover global traffic overview dashboards. You'll learn about what valuable information they can provide about bot activity in your environment. Advanced bot protection dashboards provide a wealth of knowledge about what's happening in your environment. To get to the dashboards, click on Application at the top of the screen. On the left-hand side of the screen, under Advanced Bot Protection, click Dashboard. The three tabs at the top of the screen give you different options for which dashboards you'd like to view. You can view dashboards for global traffic overview, reporting data region, and custom dashboards. To change which dashboards you're viewing, click on the tab or click on the drop-down at the right-hand side of the screen. For this video, we'll be focusing on the global traffic overview dashboards. Traffic patterns over time show traffic over a specific time range. By default, the graph will show traffic for all sites over the last 24 hours. To change which site data is being shown, click the button under Site and select your desired sites. Note that bot protection is based off of site groups instead of single sites, so you will only see site groups displayed. For more information on this, check out our video on Advanced Bot Protection Policy Settings. To change the settings, click on the button under the date range and select your desired date range. The graph displays activities for good bots, mitigated requests, requests that have no violations, requests that are on your allow list, and suspicious requests. Each group is color-coded. See the key at the bottom of the graph for more information. All graphs in this section allow you to toggle any of the lines on and off. For example, I might want to see all requests that were mitigated, meaning that Imperva mitigated these requests based on what I have set up in my policies. I can toggle all other groups off and just see the mitigated requests. Site traffic by requests over time shows me traffic each site group has received. Like the previous example, I can check the key below to see which color belongs to which group. Hovering over the line of a particular group gives me the exact number of requests a site has received at a specific time. For example, I can see that my ABD Monsters group has received 195 requests at this exact date and time. The Mitigated Action section displays a graph that shows what mitigation actions were taken at what time, and a pie chart breaking down the ratios of each mitigation action. As previously mentioned, mitigation actions are set in bot protection policies. Although these graphs only show allow, identify, and CAPTCHA, Advanced Bot Protection offers a wide variety of mitigation options, including allow, block, CAPTCHA cleared, CAPTCHA, identify, tar pit, delay, and monitor. Check out docs.imperva.com to learn more about each mitigation action. The managed conditions graph is useful to see if a single managed condition has traffic patterns similar to human traffic that may indicate false positives. Spikes and sharp troughs usually indicate bot traffic. If you want to explore the data more, download the data, or clear cache and refresh any graph, you can click the three dots next to the graph. The Explore Data from Here button will bring you to another page where you can dig into the data in greater depth. The Custom Tags Over Time graph shows any custom tags you've created in your bot protection policies. Since I don't have any custom tags, I don't see anything in this graph. The CAPTCHA Trends graph shows the results of CAPTCHA challenges on your site. This graph is very useful for catching false positives. It shows the relationship between CAPTCHA served and CAPTCHA solved. If the graph shows an equal amount of CAPTCHA requests and successful requests, this means that the false positive rate would be very high. However, Imperva's false positive rate is very low, which I can see by this graph. I have a high number of CAPTCHA requests with no successful request, meaning these requests were likely from bots. Advanced Bot Protection provides machine learning algorithms that try to catch various types of suspicious behaviors. The Machine Learning Threats Over Time Apollo Models graph is based on hourly processing of large jobs that analyze vast swaths of traffic at once. These processing jobs look for coordinated behavior where thousands of IPs are acting together to accomplish some type of sinister goal. This process can help catch bot attacks that are evading other means of detection. Each of these groups in this graph represents different detection methods. For example, Heavy Scraper tags IPs which heavily hit a single URL over the last hour. On docs.imperva.com, we have a table that breaks down what each of these groups means. In future videos, we'll cover other important advanced bot protection topics like reporting data region dashboards and account takeover. Thank you.